Hello everyone, innovative Nobel, Namaskar, welcome to our YouTube channel Nobel Environment Academy. Myself Manjit Patel, your science teacher. Now we are going to start our online classes. Hope you will stay with me till end of my class. Now we are going to read our new chapter, Unit 4, Life Cycle of a Butterfly. Butterflies are the most beautiful flying insect having large scale wings. The body of butterfly can be divided into three distinct parts. They are head, thorax means chest, and abdomen, which means tail end. The head of a butterfly consists of pair of antennae. Here is the head of the butterflies consists of pair of antennae, a pair of compound eyes. There is also a pair of compound eyes and sucking types of mouth parts. In the mouth part there is a sucking type. Most of the butterflies suck the nectar of the flower. Most of the butterflies suck the nectar of the flower, which help of tube-like sucking organs called proboscis. Most of the butterflies suck the nectar of the flower with the help of tube-like sucking organ called proboscis. Two pair of large colorful wings, and three pair of joint legs are attached to the thorax. Thorax means the chest. The legs are three pairs of legs are attached with the chest. The chest contains the muscles that make the legs and wings move. The chest contains the muscles that make the legs and wings move. The body of a butterfly is covered with tiny sensor hair. The body of a butterfly is middle part of the butterfly is covered with tiny sensor hair. Now we are going to study about habit and habitat of butterflies. Butterflies feed on nectar of flower using a tube-like proboscis. The proboscis is a long and flexible tube. Inside the mouth there is a proboscis which is used to suck the nectar of the flower, which is like a long and flexible tube. It uncoils to slip food. And coils up again into a spiral where not in use. It uncoils means fold to sieve food and coils up again into a spiral when not in use. Butterflies are found all over the world and in all type of environment, hot and cold, dry and moist at sea level and high in the mountain. However, butterflies are commonly found in tropical region. Now we are going to study about the life cycle of butterfly. Butterflies complete their life cycle in 4 different stages. They are egg, larva, pupa, and last one is adult. Here in the note, metamorphosis is the occurrence of different stages in the life cycle of insect. Metamorphosis is the occurrence in the different stages in the life cycle of insect. Or butterfly shows complete metamorphosis in the life cycle. Like butterfly, mosquito, honeybee, housefly, moths, etc. undergo complete metamorphosis in their life cycle. Sex are separate in the butterflies, that is male and female are different. Mating may take place on the ground or in the air. Mating means the pair of a male and female for the purpose of reproduction. Mating means the pair of male and female for the purpose of reproduction. Now, the male butterfly transfer sperm packet into the female while mating. While mating, the male butterfly transfer sperm packet in the female while mating. A brief description of various stages of life cycle of butterfly are given below. Number 1 is egg. Egg is the first stage of life cycle of butterfly. This egg is the first stage of the life cycle of butterfly. After mating, a female butterfly lay egg or 200 of eggs on the lower surface of leaf. On the lower surface of leaf, the female butterfly lay eggs hundreds of eggs on the surface of leaves after mating. These eggs are attached to the leaves with a sticky secretion secreted by the female along with eggs. These eggs are attached with the leaf with the help of secretion with the staged by the females. The egg may be round, spherical. This egg may be round, spherical, oval, etc. The color of the eggs may be white, green or yellow depending on the types of butterfly. The color of these eggs may be white, yellow depending on the types of butterfly. They lay their eggs on the leaves that the tiny caterpillars start feeding soon after hatching. After hatching, the eggs becomes into the tiny caterpillars and they start feeding. Feeding means to eat. Number 2, larva. The second stage of the life cycle of butterfly is larva. The figure is here. Larva looks like this structure. Larva is the second stage in the life cycle of butterfly. This larva is the second stage of the life cycle of a butterfly. It is also called caterpillar. The second stage of a butterfly is also called caterpillar. Each larva hatches from a tiny eggs. Each larva comes out from the tiny eggs. Soon after hatching, most larvae eat the shell of their eggs as their first meal. As their first meal, the larva is the shell, outer part of their eggs. Then they feed on the leaves of the plant on which they are present. They feed the leaves after they are present. The body of larva remains covered with numerous hair-like structure called setae. The body of larva was covered with numerous means many hair-like structure called setae. The body of a caterpillar can be divided into 3 distinct parts. They are head, thorax and abdomen. The head of the larva consists of powerful jaws designed for beating and chewing leaves. The head of the larva consists of powerful jaws designed for beating and chewing leaves. The larva of a butterfly is a various eater. It feeds on a lot of leaves. This larva eats a lot of leaves. The larva, here you can see, the larva or caterpillar of a butterfly feeds on a lot of food. Therefore, it is called a various feeder or eater. The larva changes its skin 4 to 5 times as it grows. When it grows, the larva changes its skin 4 to 5 times. The process of changing skin by the larva is called molting. The process of changing skin by the larva is called molting. After molting, the larva stops eating and attaches itself to a leaf. After molting, the larva stops eating and attaches itself to a leaf, twigs, etc. and change into a pupa. After attaching or stopping eating, it changes into the pupa. The larva stage lasts from 2 weeks to 1 week. Then they are changed in the form of pupa, the third stage. The figure is as here. Pupa is the third stage of the life cycle of a butterfly. It is covered with hard causes called pupatum or cocoon. It is covered with hard case called cocoon or pupum. The pupa neither eat nor moves. The pupa neither eat nor moves, but active change takes place inside the body. But there is a change place inside its body. The pupa stage lasts for a few days. The pupa stage lasts for a few days to several months depending on the climate condition. Depending on the climate condition, the pupa are for a few days or few months. The pupa of a butterfly remains suspended from a silk pad and a abaddon hook. The pupa of a butterfly remains suspended from a silk pad and abaddon hook. The pupa becomes transparent, but one day before the adult butterfly emerged. And the last stage is adult. At maturity, a full development adult butterfly emerges out from the puparium by tearing it. After the pupa stage, the adult butterfly come out by tearing the cocoon. The newly emerged adult butterfly is called imago. The newly emerged adult butterfly is called imago. When the imago emerges, its wings are wrinkled and moist. When the imago emerges, its wings are wrinkled. Its wings are wrinkled and moist and soft. The imago then rests and dries its wings before flying. Before flying, the butterfly rests and dries their wings. In this way, the life cycle of a butterfly is completed within 1 month. In this way, the life cycle of a butterfly is completed within 1 month. The cycling process from egg to the development of an adult butterfly is called the life cycle of butterfly. The cyclic process from the egg to the development of the adult butterfly is called the life cycle of butterfly. Now, please turn the page number 38 and 39. I am going to give you the homework. The homework are as here. Answer the following question. Number A is, what is a butterfly? Where it is found? Number B, describe the structure of a butterfly with a neat and level figure. Name the 4 stages of life cycle of a butterfly. What is metamorphosis? Name any 3 insects that show complete metamorphosis in their life cycle. Number 5 is, where do butterflies lay eggs? Why? Number 6 is, what is larva? What does it feed on? Number 7 is, which stage in the life cycle of butterfly is known as various feeder and why? And next is, what is cocoon? Write down its function. And the last is, write down 2 features of an adult butterfly.
Only one.
If you have done your homework, please send it into the school messenger or Max Connect app. If you are new in my channel, please touch the subscribe icon and please like, share and comment us.